Welcome to AI Factory. Today, I'll introduce 3 free and powerful online methods to access Flux.1 and generate images. At present, Flux.1 is known as the strongest AI painting open source model. According to the test data, its performance has greatly surpassed DALL-E E3 and Midjourney V6, and it has completely crushed the open source SD3 series, including Ultra, Medium Turbo, SDXL Turbo, and SDXL. Flux.1 Pro has state-of-the-art features including superior prompt word following capabilities, visual quality, image detail, and output versatility. There are 3 distinct variants: Flux.1 Pro, Flux.1 Dev, and Flux.1 Schnell. Let's try the first method, using glyphs. This is a low-code platform for creating small AI-driven applications called glyphs. It is worth mentioning that it allows the use of the powerful functions of Flux.1 Pro. Visit the official website of Glyphs. Free users can generate 20 images per day. The official plan is to provide free services for now. However, this also depends on when you watch this video. If you watch my video a few months later, the situation may change. Click on Sign In using your Gmail or Discord account. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the Build option at the top of the page to start creating your own text-to-image generator. First, give your generator a name, then click the plus button. Add a text input and name it Prompt, which is for Write Your Prompt. Then click the plus button again to add an image generator. Next, click the green text, Prompt. The text of prompt is now inside the text box, which means that the image generator will use what you enter in the prompt field to generate the image. You can then choose from multiple models such as Stable Diffusion XL, DALL-E E3, or the different Flux models I have introduced before. I chose Flux Pro and set the image ratio to 9:16. Keep the advanced controls default settings. After completing all the settings, click the Publish button in the upper right corner. After publishing, go to my profile page and click My Glyphs to view the generator I just created. Now let me test it. I paste my prompt onto Glyphs, then hit Run this glyph. Wait for a few seconds, and an image with high quality of clarity and color appears. It's a beautiful image. However, I am still a little dissatisfied. So, I copy this link and open it in another window. Upon searching for Flux prompt, the first Flux prompt enhancer appears in the top left of the search bar. Go back to my project page, copy the prompt, and paste it into the enhancer. In the Style drop-down menu, there are various styles to choose from. Since my prompt is Hyperrealism style, I select the Hyperrealism style and then click Run this glyph. It quickly provides me with the updated prompt. I copy it, return to my project page, paste it into the text box, and click Run this glyph. Do you think this is better? I think the effect is better after using Flux Prompt Enhancer. The details, as well as the light and shadow on the character's face, are more realistic, and the clarity is greatly improved. You can try this function in Glyphs. Okay, let's try to generate a dynamic, action-packed, and cinematic photo. Here is my prompt: a hyper-realistic, ultra-high-resolution photograph of a classic red race car driving from a dynamic angle, showcasing action in a modern neon city at night with light trails. Monochromatic, motion, action, motion blur, cinematic. Click on Run this glyph and wait a few seconds. Let's see the result. That's a great photo. From the blurred background and the road, we can see the red race car is high-speeding. Download it. If you are not satisfied with the image, just click the Regenerate it. Now, let's take a look at the effect of human motion. What would it look like if we used a fisheye lens to shoot a boy skateboarding on the street? Here is my prompt: fisheye lens sport photography of 2 young adult boys skateboarding on a modern neon city street at night with light trails. Motion, action, motion blur, cinematic. Hit Run this glyph. Nice done. The second method is to go to the Hugging Face website and find Black Forest Labs. However, Black Forest Labs only offers Flux.1 Schnell and Flux.1 Dev, which you can try for free. Click to open Flux.1 Schnell and enter the generation page. Type the following words. A chubby boy with big glasses is sitting on the floor, eating chips from a bag labeled Lay's. Then hit run. It doesn't take long to wait, and we can see that it generates a nice image. Let's take a look at the advanced settings. Click on the drop-down box. Here you can enter the seed number or change to a random seed. Next is the ratio of the image that you want to generate and the number of iteration steps. I didn't change anything and just kept the default settings. The resulting image is a nice cartoon-style illustration capturing a playful moment. The logo text Lay's is in a very conspicuous location and is the focus. The only issue is that the toes look weird and resemble fingers. Apart from this, everything else is quite satisfactory. Download in the upper right corner of the picture. Copy this prompt. I will use it again. Return to the home page. This time I want to try Flux.1 Dev. Click to enter, go to the generation page, and paste the same prompt. The advanced settings are the same. Seed number, image ratio, guidance scale, and number of inference steps. I will keep the defaults. Then hit run. The waiting time is a bit longer than Flux.1 Schnell. Okay, let's see the result. The boy's chubby hands grip a bag of Lay's chips. His small, round toes emphasize a baby-like quality. Soft, natural light from a window casts gentle shadows on his face and the chips. The slightly blurred background with indoor plants and furniture enhances the cozy, cheerful atmosphere. The image is exaggeratedly cute. Download it. The third method is to use TensorArt. It's an AI model sharing platform to generate images for free. The models include Stable Diffusion Models SD3, SDXL 1.0, Hunyuandit version 1.2, SD 1.5, Extra Realistic XL, Disney Pixar style, and more. In my previous tutorial, using free AI tools to monetize AI influencers with TensorArt step-by-step guide, you can find more detailed usage instructions. Please check it out on my channel. They've also added the new Flux models. Click on Sign In and use your Gmail, Discord, or other email account to sign in. They give 100 free credits daily, and each image generation takes about 1 credit depending on the resolution you choose. Inside the homepage, scroll down until you see the article section. Click on the article Mastering Flux Prompt Engineering, a practical guide with tools and examples to enter the new page about how to generate amazing images using Flux. You need to read through these points as they are a helpful resource. You can see a ChatGPT link. Click on it. It's a page where you can interact with ChatGPT. Write an image prompt with a beautiful girl sitting by the window in the morning. ChatGPT generates 5 detailed prompts based on my request. All of these prompts are good to use, so I simply copy the second one. Back on the TensorArt page, click on Models, scroll down and find Flux.1 Dev FP8, and click on it. On its page, you can see other people's artwork generated from this model. I want to run with this model, so I click on Run, then click on Use Recommended, and then paste the second prompt into TensorArts. Leave the negative prompt empty, select the aspect ratio to landscape, then hit Generate. Wait for a few seconds to see the result. It's amazing. The lighting is bright and natural, highlighting the soft features of the woman and casting a gentle shadow on her face. Let's generate the remaining 4 images using the Flux.1 Dev model. Wow! All of these images are well done. The scenes feel calm and peaceful, with a hint of morning freshness suggested by the light. I like them, so I download all. Let's see how it generates dynamic images. Still using this ChatGPT Flux Prompt Pro, paste my prompt. ChatGPT gave me 5 improved detailed prompts. I copied one and pasted it into TensorArt. The effect is great. The water droplets splashing make the whole picture come alive. You can also try other dynamic images such as dancing, running, snowing, etc. These are the three methods to access Flux.1 models and generate images that I will introduce to you today. If you enjoyed my video and found it helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you at the next one.